Hello students, good morning. I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 53, and today I am going to tell you about topic classification of ligand and basic requirement for formation of complex compound, and these topic related from chapter number 9, coordination compound. So let us start. Classification of ligand. So what is the ligand? First, for the formation of coordination compound, metal M and ligand capital L. So for the formation of the complex compound, two things required: metal and ligand. Metal of D and F block element I already discussed in the last chapter. So D block elements form complex compound and L ligand. So today we have to discuss what is the ligand. So ligand has a negative electric charge or neutral molecule. Neutral molecule, that means no charge. This is the made on the basis of a number of electron pair donating atoms. So how many electron donate by any atom? So depend on its electron pair. So number of electron pair donate to the metal ion. So ligand has a negative electric charge, otherwise neutral molecule, and it is donate the electron pair to the metal ion. So see this way, capital M and L. So ligand donate electron pair to metal. This arrow. So arrow mark and arrow mark, it is a coordinated bond. Then type. Number of the electron pair donating atoms. Ligands types: unidentate, didentate, tridentate and hexadentate. That is means three types. Uni means monodentate, second didentate also you say bidentate, and then polydentate. And polydentates discuss tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate. So first unidentate, that is means monodentate ligand. So if ligand, that is means only one atom, donate to metal ion by giving one electron pair. So one electron pair donate by only one atom, so it is known as, and form only one coordinated covalent bond, so it is known as unidentate ligand. So which element to only donate one electron pair, like water, NH3, ammonia, CO. So these are neutral ligand, and negative Cl minus, Cn minus, F minus. So these are unidentate ligand. Then didentate. Also we have to say bi. If ligand donate two electron pair and so form two covalent bond, like C, small e n, ethane 1,2-diamine, and also we have to say ethylene diamine. Ethane 1 carbon 2 carbon 2 CH2 1 carbon NH2 attached, second carbon also NH2. So its name is ethane 1,2-diamine. Then this N one lone pair and this N second lone pair. So two lone pair donate by one molecule. So if a ligand donate two lone pair and forms two covalent bond, two lone pair donates, so two covalent bond, coordinated covalent bond form. So this ligand is known as didentate. Second example, C2O4 2 minus. Also we have to say oxalate. So C2O4. So C, 2 carbon, 4 oxygen attached, 2 negative charge attached with oxygen. So OX power 2 minus. Also we have to, in short way we say OX. So power 2 minus, oxalate. So C, negative charge here, one lone pair and second lone pair. So two lone pair donate. Then third example, PTEN whole twice 2 plus PTEN 2. See, EN also ethane 1,2-diamine, and ethane 1,2-diamine, two lone pair donate. So C, two coordinated bond form. EN, one coordinated bond, second coordinated bond. This also So this type of we have to represent, and 2 plus. Then copper oxalate 2 and 2 minus. So see, copper oxalate and also didentate bidentate, so give its lone pair, so 2 coordinated bond are formed. Then third example, tridentate. So if ligand donate 3 electron pair, so that is means 3 coordinate sites, so form 3 coordinated covalent bond, so it is known as tridentate and satisfy 3 secondary valency. See, PTN, small PTN, P propane, T and 1 2 3 triamine. Propane 1 2 3. So propane and 3 amine NH2 attach. So 1 2 3, 3 lone pair, and 3 lone pair donate to the metal ion. So 3 coordinated covalent bond are formed. Second example, PO4 3 minus phosphate. So see, P double bond O and 3 oxygen are attached. 1 2 3. So phosphate. So 3 sides, 1 2 and 3. So 3 covalent coordinated bond are formed. Then hexadentate. The hexadentate, that is means donate 6 electron pair, that is means there are 6 coordination site, so satisfy 6 secondary valency of metal ion. So its most important example is EDTA 4 minus, ethylene D diamine T tetra A acetate, ethylene diamine tetra acetate. So there are 6 coordination site. 6 coordination. C, ethylene CS2 CS2, diamine N and 2H position attach acetate group, CH2 COO minus, CS2 COO minus. So 4 acetate group attach. So 1 2 3 4, 4 minus negative charge, that is means 4 here, and then 5 fifth lone pair at nitrogen, sixth lone pair at nitrogen. So total 6 sites. 6 sides to formation coordinated bond. Then multidentate, the ligand in which 2 or more atoms donate electron pair then form coordinated covalent bond. So it is known as multidentate. So example series, you have to see how many electric charge at which. First is type unidentate, so neutral, which example, water, ammonia, CO, NO, CS3, NH2, C2H5 and pyridine. So at unidentate ligand, 0 charge. So you learn this table. Then unidentate negative, OH minus, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, Cn minus, NH2 minus, NO3 minus, NO2 minus, CS3 COO minus, ACO minus, O2 minus, H2 minus, NS minus. So minus 1 charge at this unidentate negative. Then unidentate positive ligand, NO plus, NO2 plus. So plus 1 charge at. Then second example, didentate neutral also. Neutral, which example, En, ethylene diamine, PN, propene diamine, so 0 charge at. So En and Pn neutral charge. Then didentate negative charge, CO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, OX 2 minus. So carbonate, sulfate and oxalate. So 2 minus charge, electric charge at which. Then third, tridentate neutral, PTN, propylene triamine, NH2, CH2 NH2, CH NH2, CH2 NH2. So propylene triamine, so PTN 0 charge at this. Tridentate negative, so phosphate and PO4 3 minus and ASO4 3 minus, minus 3 charge at which. Then hexadentate ligand. So two example of hexadentate, EDTA 3 minus, EDTA 4 minus. EDTA 3 minus 3 charge and EDTA 4 minus 4 charge at which. Then ligand topic is completed. So please learn this table and then types. Then basic requirements for formation of complex compound. So basic requirements for formation of complex compound. First, ligand must have electron pair to donate. If not a electron pair, that is means coordinated bond are not formed, then there must be vacant d orbital, because we have to see ligand lone pair given to metal, but metal have vacant d orbital, then accept electron pair. So first is ligand must have electron pair to donate. Second is there must be vacant d orbital to receive electron pair. Then third, metal ion should have symmetry of vacant orbital, because symmetry of vacant orbital then accept electron pair. Same as symmetry of orbital of ligand having electron pairs. So these three basic requirements for formation of complex compound. First is ligand must have electron pair to donate. Second is there must be vacant orbital in metal to receive electron pair. And third is metal ion should have symmetry of vacant orbital, same as symmetry of orbital of ligand having electron pair. So next topic I will be explain in next video. Thank you so much.